Hello, my name is Bill Hanna, and I'm a financial controller and a CPA from New York City, and I've been working in the accounting field for about 20 years. I have worked at companies such as PwC, Kayak, and Fodor, and I've done all kind of work in accounting, from posting journal entries to integrating financial systems, as well as preparing financial statements. I've developed a strong ability to teach and break down accounting concepts, which enabled me to have close to 300,000 subscribers and hundreds of engaging lectures on YouTube and my own education website. In this class, I'm going to give you my 6 proven steps to recording transactions and creating financial statements. I will also show you how to execute these steps in QuickBooks Online. And I will assign a class project to ensure you are following along the material. This class is for anyone starting out in accounting with the goal to become an entry-level accountant or a bookkeeper. The only prerequisite you'll need is a high school diploma or equivalent degree, plus a hunger for learning and growth. To participate in this class, you'll need to have access to a computer and Microsoft Excel, and these are the only 2 requirements in terms of tools. I look forward to teaching you the most essential accounting principles and techniques, so let's go ahead and dive into the first lecture.